Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's prepare a yummy spicy chicken gravy curry or soup. This is my father's recipe which he cooks when we get colds and coughs when we are kids. I cooked it by adding potatoes, chicken wings and legs. It was so yummy that I couldn't stop eating. It has Indian spicy masala and the ingredients I use in this give instant relief for colds and coughs. First, keep all the ingredients ready. 1 finely chopped big onion, 3 medium-sized finely chopped tomatoes, 1 fist of finely chopped coriander leaves, 5 striped green chillies, grated 1-inch ginger and 3 garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves, 4 cloves, 3 cardamoms and a 1-inch cinnamon stick. Chop big-sized cubes of 1 potato, washed 4 leg pieces and 4 wings of chicken. Now first marinate the chicken and potatoes with ginger garlic paste, a little coriander leaf, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 or 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now mix well and keep it aside. The curry pan, add 4 tablespoons of oil and add cloves, cinnamon, bay leaves and cardamoms. Once they are fried, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Add onions and let the onions fry until they turn a golden brown color. Now add marinated chicken only, not potatoes. Let the chicken fry nicely for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, add tomatoes and a few coriander leaves. Mix well on high flame. Add half cup of water to it. Let the tomatoes cook nicely on medium. Tomatoes have to be cooked nicely. After that, add marinated potatoes. Mix well on high flame. Add 4 to 5 glasses of water. Let the potatoes cook in the chicken soup water on medium heat. After 5 minutes, check the potato. Once they are cooked for 80%, add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of fennel powder to the chicken and potato soup. Mix well, let it boil on a high flame for 2 minutes. Check the potatoes and once they are cooked, check the salt as per your taste and add it if it is needed. Mix well on high flame for 2 minutes. Then switch off the stove. Serve it for lunch or dinner with 1 cup of rice, more soup and 1 chicken piece with some potato. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more new recipes.